Okay, there goes 43182 with something else on the rear, which is forming 1 Alpha 77, the 0827 Great Western Railway service from Plymouth to London Paddington. Here's 43028, which is with 2 Charlie 43, which is the 0832 Great Western Railway service from Bristol to Meads to Penzance. And there's Great Western Trains joining us. And on the rear of this service is 43165. So anyway, hello guys, Train Clips HD here, welcome to the latest video, and today I'm at Newton Abbot on the Great Western Mainline, also the junction for the Riviera Line to Paynton. So today we'll be seeing services by Great Western Railway and Cross Country. Joining me here here today is making a special appearance is AB Trains, DB Trains, UK Trains, but I wouldn't subscribe to his channel to follow paces. Yeah, so anyway, Great Western Trains is here. Southwest Trainspotting should be here very soon. Yay! Oh, anyway, I'm Great Western Spotter. I forgot about you. Anyway. Okay, anyway, let's get started here at Newton Abbot. Okay, service now departing now. It's 43178, which is leading the helm, assisting with 43165 with 2 Charlie 43, I think. The 0832 Great Western Railway service from Bristol to Meads to Penzance. It's a HST in the summer, which I'm well happy with, and it has window labels, so I'm even happier. This service goes to call out Newton Abbot, Totnes Side Bridge, Plymouth, Saltash, Liskeard, Bodmin Parkway, Lostwithiel, Parson, Austell, Truro, Redroof, Camborne, Hale, Centre Earth, and Penzance. We will see this later. We'll see this.
Just saying that's usually a unit, but sometimes here it says HST.
Yeah, it is. We'll see this at Plymouth. It will run a Penzance pad. Anyway, here's 153372 and 152266, which is the service to Exmouth. I'll get departure times as it departs. This calls at Timoth, Dawlish, Warren, Starcross, Exeter St Thomas, Exeter St David's, Exeter Central, St James's Park, Poleslow Bridge, Degby, Soughton, Newcourt, Topsham, Exton, Lempstone Commando, Lempstone Village and Exmouth. So this departure, we'll get in a second. Sounds like a pacer. Anyway, yeah, departing now is the 0834 Great Western Railway service from Paynton to Exmouth. 153372 and 152266. It's actually pretty cool what this service does next.
This is a HST empty stop coming in, Riviera to Paynton.
Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, service now coming in now is 5 Tango 15, the service to Paynton from Riviera TMD, which is the TMD I overlook from my house, which I'm pretty lucky. So it's 43, or looks like 194. It's 198. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. That's interesting. Let's see what's next anyway. Okay, departing now. It's 5 Tango 50 with
Mr. Happy at the helm.
with the 0842 Great Western Railway empty stock service from Riviera TMD to Paynton. With a very wet screen you're going to see. I was transferring the clips for the Exeter video last night. I got 141 items. So that's going to be a long video. Thumbnail sorted. That's the thumbnail sorted. Don't need to worry about that one anymore. Unless anything special comes in. Oh my gosh.
Can you find the relation?
Yes, I can. Anyway, let's see what's next. Okay, arriving in now is 153361 with the 0848 Great Western Railway service from Lowe's Lake to Exeter David. It's a 2-a-day service. It's 153377 Great Western Spotted Stalker train. Let's see what's next anyway. Okay, hopefully you can hear me over the graph. Passing now is the 0848 Great Western Railway service from Lowe's Lake to Exeter St David's, 153361 and 153 what, Charlie?
377.
Thank you.
Hate that thing.
I love that thing. Yeah, Adam will gradually get used to it.
What's next?
It's a train.
No, it should be the delayed 0815 next. Okay, coming in now is the heavily delayed 0815 Great Western Railway service to Echo 74 from Penzance to Exeter St David's.
Train that isn't 150-120.
Oh, it's Mr. Captain Smash, 150-130 and 153-333 visit South Devon. No, it's Captain Smash's favourite unit. 150-130. I'm gonna get to see this beauty go out in a minute. Well, it's just right there. See what's next anyway. Okay, going out now is the 0815 Great Western Railway service, heavy delayed service to Echo 74 from Penzance to Exeter David. That normally terminates at Plymouth on normal timetable. It normally terminates in Connecticut with the 08 or 0747 off Plymouth, which we've seen earlier, which was the 0827. So we'll get to see that unit a bit later as well. Okay, see what comes next here at Newton Abbot. Okay, coming in now is 143620 with the 0906 Great Western Railway service to Painston from Exeter St David's. And 143621. See it go out in a minute. Okay, coming in just behind is the 0903 cross country service to Glasgow Central from Penzance. We'll see it go out in a minute. Okay, going out now is the 0903 not Great Western Railway cross country service to Glasgow Central from Penzance. 22119. We've seen this last night. Okay, joining us now is SFT Fan 1909 and the Great Westerner.
SFT Fan 1909.
His first trip into Devon.
No, second. Been survey last month.
Yeah, but still, that's not the problem. Also going out is the 0906 Great Western Railway service from Exeter St David's to Painston. 143611 and 620 on the front. Ethan. Okay, see what's next. Siggy, get out of the way. See what's next anyway. Okay, coming in now is the 0917 cross-country service from Plymouth to Manchester Piccadilly, calling at Dawlish Warren, Exeter St David's, Tiverton Parkway, Taunton, Bristol Temple Meads, Bristol Parkway, Cheltenham Spa, Birmingham New Street, Wolverhampton, Stafford, Stoke-on-Trent, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. Okay, passing now is the 0916 cross-country service from Plymouth to Manchester Piccadilly. Next stop of this will be Dawlish Warren. 22121, which is the service we had last night, back to us from Plymouth from Exeter St David's.
Excellent. This train has 4 coaches. Exton and Livingston Commando are request stops. Passengers for these
Kieran
should ask the conductor on the train to arrange for the train.
Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, it comes to 20002, which is with the 0946 cross-country service from to Painston from the Birmingham New Street. see that when it goes out in a minute. Okay, service just arriving in now is the 0936 Great Western Railway service from Penzance to London Paddington. So we'll see it go out in a minute. Okay, just departing now. Oh, sorry about that. It's the 29 sorry. Great cross country service to Paynton from Birmingham New Street. Technically, you should give that to Sean, really.
Okay, where's Sean? Should we just ask Sean?
Right, so this service calls at Exeter Davis, Tiverton Parkway, Taunton, Westbury, Reading, and expected arrival into Reading is 11:53 and London Paddington at 12:21. See you right in a minute. Okay, departing now is 1 hour 7/8. Nice shut off driver. With the 0936 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington from Penzance. Ha! Declassified coachee. This was on the Merchant Adventure last Saturday. Right. No, we've got
flail in front of a pacer video.
This isn't. That isn't a pacer. That's a HST.
I know.
Well, well done. Let's see what's next.
40 Great Western
Okay, coming now.
Service to Paynton.
Pardon me. It's the 0939 Great Western Railway service to Chippenham from Paynton. This service would normally go to London Paddington via Bristol Temple Meads, but it is still going via Temple Meads, but it's terminating at Chippenham. This driver will take it all the way to Chippenham, this one.
Platform 2 for the 0940 Great Western Railway service to Paynton. Torquay and Paynton. This train has 4 coaches.
143603 is from the 0940 Great Western Railway service to Paynton from Exeter. 143618 on the rear. Okay, see us go out in a minute. Okay, departing now is 1 Tango 15, the 0939 Great Western Railway service from Paynton to Chippenham. Would normally be London Paddington, but today, due to engineering works, it's terminating at Chippenham. So this one's service calls at Teignmouth, Dawlish, Warren, Exeter St David, Tiverton Parkway, Taunton, Weston-super-Mare, Bristol Temple Meads, Bath Spa, and Chippenham. So if it's coming out and carrying on to London Paddington from Chippenham, it will call out Swindon, Heathcote Parkway, Reading and London Paddington, this one, but due to engineering works, it's not today. That's why the train is so empty. What's your Sprinter? 4150, Andre? Also going out is the 0940 Great Western Railway service to Paynton from Exmouth. 143618 on the rear.
May I have your attention, please? Please note, to ensure a timely departure, train doors will be locked shut up to 40 seconds before departure. Thank you.
There it goes up there. Anyway, let's see what's next. Hello. Anyway, as she pulls out, I've just realised we're going to be ending the video here. So, hey guys, come over to the platform. So yeah, thank you for watching my Newton Abbot video. If you've liked what you've seen here at Newton Abbot, then please do like and subscribe. Joining me here is SFT Fan 1909, The Great Westerner, AB Trains, DB Trains, Alex Videos, Great Western Trains, Great Western Spotter, KTV Video, Southwest Trainspotting, and Train. I don't know what his channel is now. Okay, whatever. Anyway, my next station will be Plymouth for another video. So I shall see you all there. Take care, guys, and goodbye.